It sounds like there's a lot happening with BlockDAG, especially with the launch of its Testnet, pushing its pre-sale figures up to $92 million. This is a significant milestone, showcasing increasing investor interest and confidence in the project. With its testnet now operational, BlockDAG is likely demonstrating some of its network capabilities and resilience, which might be helping to attract more interest amid a broader market downturn. At the same time, it appears HBAR, Hedera Hashgraph, is gaining traction due to the launch or increasing popularity of an HBAR ETF. An ETF for HBAR could make it more accessible to institutional investors and people interested in crypto but hesitant to buy individual tokens. This could be a game changer for HBAR's liquidity and value, depending on the level of adoption. On the other hand, BNB is experiencing a dip, which could be attributed to several factors, such as regulatory challenges, broader market corrections, or competition from emerging blockchain networks like BlockDAG and HBAR. The overall market dynamics, including investor sentiment, will be worth monitoring closely, as each of these assets has a distinct role within the broader crypto ecosystem. Would you like a deeper look at any particular aspect of these updates?